Hi, you're watching Super Bravo video. I'm Ivana Marinkovic, eWord Language School, and this is our first unit, Calibration. Serbian is spoken in Serbia, Montenegro, Bosnia, and Croatia. There is a small difference in dialects between these countries. In Croatia it is called Croatian, in Serbia it is called Serbian language, in linguistics it is called Serbo-Croatian language. Serbian is a phonetic language, which means that one sound is always represented by one letter and always in the same way. It doesn't matter what are the letters and sounds surrounding it. It is always written in the same way and always pronounced in the same way. If you go north of Belgrade, people tend to speak much more slowly, so that's great if you're a beginner. If you go south, because of the influence of Macedonian and Bulgarian, people tend to use less padeži, cases. If you go west, the dialect changes and people speak as in Montenegro, Bosnia, and similar to the Croatian dialect as well. I'm from Belgrade, and my dialect is the Eastern type. There is no Belgrade dialect, but we can call it maybe a sub-dialect. Serbian language is the only European language to have two scripts, Latin and Cyrillic. In Serbia, both scripts are used now, I think, equally, due to the influence of the English language, as well as our traditional Cyrillic script. Today you can see many signs and names of shops in both Latin and Cyrillic. As the two scripts are equal for us, we don't really notice whether we're reading the Latin or the Cyrillic script unless we really pay attention. I guess the brain doesn't really notice that, it only notices the language. At one point, I'm sure it will be the same for you too. Because the language is phonetic, there are 30 letters and 30 sounds in Serbian, so equal numbers. Each letter represents only one sound, and vice versa, each sound is represented only by one letter. There are 25 consonants and 5 vowels, which are the sounds that can be pronounced with our mouth open. And these are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The 25 consonants, we'll learn more how to pronounce them in the next unit. Thank you for watching the video supporting the first unit, Calibration. If you have any questions or you wish to book a lesson with me, please write on info@eword.co. Thank you.